special note, I also wish to inform you that 5 of the officers on this course are allied students from Burkina Faso. Today, the 20th of September, I wish to inform you that no one failed the course and no one was sacked on other issues. So their officers are 165 and have successfully completed the course. Company Commander's course is an operation-heavy course designed to involve commanders' knowledge in the art of war, leadership, tactics, and operations up to battalion level. The main aim of the course is to produce potential infantry maneuver commanders equipped with broad leadership skills at company and battalion levels. This was achieved through developing student ability in understanding battle procedures, appreciating tactical and operational situations at company in the battalion framework, in offensive, defensive, and stability or stabilization operations. To achieve the above objectives, the students were taken through a number of modules and exercises. This includes, but not limited to, the 5 core modules: operations, COIS and OIBWA, combat support, combat service support, and organization aligned with the new establishment and doctrine, among others. Indeed, several field exercises also took place, comprising of terrain reconnaissance, moderate and tweaks or tactical exercises without troops, presentations to enable the trainees to draft battalion and company level operational orders in different tactical situations, as we have just witnessed a few minutes ago. So to wrap it all, we had a tour to the specialized units. We went to Entebbe Air Force Base, went to Masindi, Artillery Division, and we also went to Kalama, where we had 2 presentations from the engineers and also from the Armor Training Center. The tour indeed enabled the students familiarize with the support, with themselves, with the support elements and assets in the various formations. I wish at this moment to thank the formation commanders for organizing all the presentations that imparted knowledge to these students.
Number 2, I want to congratulate the students, because in most cases these courses end up some of the officers being dropped because of, in most cases, indiscipline. But I'm very happy that 168 of these officers, senior officers and junior officers, all managed to go through this course and no single officer was dropped. This is a good success. I don't think the guest opponent needs to introduce himself, but I want first of all, mine is not a speech. I'm just going to make a few remarks and then I will close this course. That's my simple duty that I'm supposed to be here. First of all, I want to congratulate the commander, his team of his chief instructor, his team of directing staffs, the administrators of this college, those who happen to help in making sure that our people are held from the beginning up to the end. I want to congratulate all of you for a job well done.
Apply your tactics within that doctrine. Know your resources. Don't misuse the resources.
Heshima, huu ndio mwisho wa ukaguzi wa heshima. Naomba kuendelea na ulinzi wa heshima mgeni. Tayari kwa ukaguzi wako mgeni heshima.
The officers who have completed the course and and hardworking officer who is reserved and soft-spoken. Above all, he is a team